Do you want to avoid crowded trains or chaotic tuk-tuks on your arrival in New Delhi? Then watch this video to find your Uber pickup at Indira Gandhi International Airport. Right after passport control, we set off to take an Uber to Hazrat Nizamuddin train station. I'll now show you the quickest way to find the Uber station at New Delhi Airport. At exit number 4, simply walk past the visitor reception area on the left-hand side. Then cross the street and follow the signs for app-based taxi. After walking a few meters, cross the street at Zone 2 and continue to follow the signs for app-based taxi. At the entrance, you will see multi-level parking written in large letters. From there, walk straight towards the Uber stand. Right next to the Uber stand is the queue for the vehicles, and from here, you're ready to go. In our opinion, this is the best way to get from the airport to the city. And if you want to see how our India adventure continues, subscribe to the channel and don't miss the next videos.